My people, our EndSARS protesters, where una dey? Because e be like say the one wey we do before, omo, na child's play. Another one don dey start now, my people. This one, in fact, I no even know which angle I go even carry am from. If una see the kind calamity, yes, I dey call am calamity o, where police people don start. In fact, these people don start o. No be small thing. Na so they start dey chase these young boys. And according to matter wey reach me, they say one of the boys just buy the car. I don't know whether na problem again. Make person use money buy car. Ngwanu. They start dey chase them, and we know our police people, so we no go gree stop. Na so they start dey shoot my people. Na so accident just shele, bam. And as I dey talk to una now, it happened for African Shrine Ikeja, Lagos. But thank God nobody died for the accident, at least. You understand? So I bring am so that una go see, una go hear am. May no come be like say na me wan start protest again. Because join me, make we watch the video.
Okay, fine, they did right. If they did right, why they run? If you people act right, why did you run?
Calm down. Can you tell me what happened? Can you just...
Don't run for there.
If they run, they did right, why they run? Why they run?
Why you gonna shoot me? Why you gonna shoot me?
Now police cause this thing, right? Now police.
Now police, see.
Don't worry, no fear your face. Nobody they see your face. I just want to hear your testimony. Now police cause them, right?
I bet person fit define Nigeria for me. If you get definition of Nigeria, define am. I don't check dictionary, I check Google, I check nothing. Is it that Nigeria now they allergic to good news, or person swear for Nigeria? Like I dey try understand why. Any small thing wahala. Any small thing wahala. Since beginning of this year, wait till even they talk beginning of which year? Since 1914, we don't dey. In fact, from one problem to another, The only thing they say this year, all the problems wey we don't dey see this year, it can't be like ×7. Bam, at once. Nigeria police now one of the biggest problem wey we get for this country. I not to say they be our problem, one of, because we already know the main problem. These people are one of the biggest. When we dey target problem issues for this country, na them. If they pay me say the EndSARS thing wey we do sef, you no even work anything. Like it be like say we do, but it be like say we no do anything. My people see, no be say I dey support violence or attacking police people. But now, if una hear say one police station don burn, una go start dey complain. But see wetin these police people dey do youth. Any small thing wey happen now, if you see young person with car, they don't turn am to blood money, they don't turn am to yahoo, they don't turn am. Abeg, I no dey support anybody. But do you know? Una know whether na no be yahoo money they use buy that car? No, abeg na question I ask. Maybe una no swallow me. And even if na yahoo money sef, as a police officer, you don't do your investigation finish. Once they just see say your car dey shine, they go automatically turn prophet. I can see that you've used yahoo money to buy this car. I don't understand. Automatically, they feel am from inside. Police people, na them even they behave like thugs. I don't even understand now where this country they go. Hey! I bet like this we go continue. Make person tell me, is this how we want to continue in this country? Nigeria no dey safe. Nigeria is no longer safe. See, make una stop dey look for outsiders. When wahala come for your country, stop dey look for outsiders. Stop dey look for person wey, okay, is this person there? The problem is from inside. Those people in authority, those people in uniform, they are our problems. And for all of una know una self. Where una just start dey talk. But when they stop there, they for stop now. How they won't stop? When already we know how this system they run, how they want to. If now you go stop. Gone are the days if police stop you, like you even you dey okay, you dey at rest, you dey at peace, you feel stop. Gone are those days. Hey, now either them go use their hand plant cocaine inside your car. Or now them go use their hand, maybe see, they go just find one incriminating something, put that inside your car, then they go come turn another wahala. I bet you are who won't start that stress. Now, why nobody they agree stop? Even daylight, broad daylight, na problem. To stop for police, then imagine in the night, how bad, make una get conscience. All this energy now, what they use? They chase Yahoo boys, they chase who? This one, all this energy. Why una no put everything inside the looking for unknown government? Why una no help us find, in fact, help us identify this unknown government? No, now only normal people una get powerful. Now only all these youths una get powerful. Shame on you. If you be police officer, you dey watch me. See, I don't want to know now. In fact, I don't even want to know whether you are part of them or not. As long as say you dey inside uniform, I beg, it's serious shame where I dey feel for una. Because now una get, I will say these people feel just behave normal. Many things go change. Fine, I don't say our government don't already get one. But if our uniform people can start working well, the people at least now none of the guys happy where people go, they happy because they are part of, you know, understand, anywhere you go you don't meet them. Crossroad, you've seen police. The only place where you know they see police, that one self no even they work again. I been want to say now only your house, but now they enter your house. Yes, so person even tell me say they knock for in gate. Ask me why. They want search without warrant. Say they use Yahoo for this house. Now they enter their house. So where is safe? Where is safe? House where you pay, where you peace of mind, your own privacy, you not get again. They go still enter inside. So where is safe? Let me see define Nigeria from you. I still they wait. Because my people, when I don't hear am from the guy mouth himself, it is pathetic. It's in fact, I don't even know what thing we go do again, but I beg, all this matter we una just here, leave am for una hand. So I want start the year waiting una gas stop because I don't know whether now may we start protest again. I don't know what to do. So I want hear from una side now, waiting una thing say go calm this thing, or may we start protest because may person start the talk something. Because now we need to stand up again. It has started, and this time, if we not do something about this, my people, una go hear another one again, and no be joke. Very, very serious. You understand? So I bet make the comments start the roll for that comment section side. And yes, we go soon get new presenter for this TV platform. And I want make una tell me who una think say she be. But make I just give una a small tip. She's from the southeast west. So make you start the drop for that side. Whoever you think say he be the person. And still not forget to drop comment concerning this our police people. Very, very important. Whether we go start protest or any other thing where you think, still drop her for that side. Share this video. Make everybody know what they happen. These people don't, in fact, these hoodlums, they don't start with us again. Very, very important. And click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.